Hello, everyone. I'm very excited to introduce our data science and AI training programs provided by BIA Manhattan campus. We will future-proof your career. I'm Dr. Jay Zhu. I'm the director of BIA Manhattan campus. Before I talk about our training program, it's helpful that I introduce myself so that you understand my background and you may trust me. I myself have been a data scientist for over 20 years, since 1998, when I got my PhD degree from the University of Connecticut. Since then, in 1998, I have been exclusively working on one thing, using data science and AI technologies to solve problems across industries. It happened that I have worked with at least 10 industries. And you can do the same once you master the skills of data science and AI. Here's my LinkedIn profile. You can scan the code and connect with me. I have thousands, I think 2,000 connections. Maybe I can help you find a job. If you post something on your LinkedIn profile and I like it, then my connections will able to see your profile. I have worked with a number of companies before I started my own. My first job was with Nestor. I was senior data modeler. The company was co-founded by a Nobel Prize winner. His name is Neon Cooper. He won 1972 Nobel Prize in physics, and later he started a company using neural network technology of AI to detect financial fraud. After that, I worked for Liebridge as a chief statistician, and then I worked for Oracle, one of the largest database company, and I was also a vice president with Citizens Bank in the United States. As I have said, I worked with many industries. Here are a partial list of industries. From the vertical bars, we can see different industries such as banking, mobile phone, worker compensation insurance, healthcare, movie, advertisement, manufacture, sports, K-12 education, and it appear that these are very different industries, but in reality, they are quite similar. To me, as a data scientist, different industries, just different ways of producing data and collect data. Once data are collected, they are the same. We adopt the same data science and AI principles to process the data, to derive meanings from the data, and use the data to drive better business decisions and produce financial benefits. So data science and AI is a foundational skills. As you can see at the bottom, it is across different industries. We can solve any problems in any business with data science skills. And this is a tremendous opportunities, right? As you master these skills, you can work for many businesses, right? Sometimes if financial business is not good, then you can move on to manufacturing or healthcare. So it will broaden your financial and your career future. When we say future proof, I mean this data science and AI is for the long term. Why is that? Let me explain. Um, on the left side, we have data, right? Every time when we do anything, make a purchase, surf the internet using our phone, or even driving or walking with our phone, our behaviors are recorded somewhere, right? The location of our car or where we make purchase, which website we are visiting, all those information are captured somewhere by some companies or by the government, and they are stored somewhere as data sets. So that's on the left side. And on the right side, it's about business meanings, insights, and decisions. Unfortunately, as of today, majority of decisions, even when hundreds of millions of dollars are involved, they are made by human intuition, and they are based on personal experience. As we know, our human brains are not adapted to modern age. Our brain is a result of maybe millions of years of evolution when our ancestors tried to survive in the jungle environment, right? They're worried about they may be eaten by a tiger. That's how our brain are formed. But today, it's very different environment, right? We don't worry about survival. Instead, our brain's function will make a lot of mistakes when decisions are involved. That's why we need to use data-driven method such as data science and AI that based on data are facts, and we extract meanings from the data, and also we make decisions from the data. This is the main theme of the whole career of my past 20 years, and I expect in the next 20 years too. I just take advantage of the data to help business make better decisions. As a result, I created a lot of values for the business. For example, we reduced the fraud by 70%, which is $10 million a year. We cut the bad debt for a Canadian bank by 50%, tens of millions of dollars. All those results are because of data-driven decisions made by data science and AI. As we understand that data science and AI skills create tremendous value, and companies are looking for people who are able to work with data and make data-driven decisions. They are just short of supply of these talents. If we look at the job market, there are a lot of jobs opening for people with data science and AI skills. If you go to Indeed.com, I believe this is one of the most popular job site. If you use keywords, data science, it will return 8,000 plus jobs in the United States. And the SQL, which is the foundational skill that we will be learning, it's over 25,000 jobs. And the Python, which is also another programming language we will be learning, it has over 26,000 jobs. And here we can look at their salary range for SQL developer in the United States. The average salary is over 92,000, and we have a range of them, right? The highest could be as high as 134,000. The lowest is 63,000. And the data scientist salary in the US, the average is 123,000, and the highest it's 193,000, and the lower end we have 78,000. So not only we have a lot of jobs for these skills, we also have a very decent pay range for these roles. Now let me introduce our campus. It's BIA Manhattan campus. I started this campus in Manhattan. The reason being that I am an adjunct professor with a university in New York. So I traveled to New York weekly, and I have seen that there are a lot of opportunities in New York. So I worked with this company, BIA, which is ranked number one training in data science and AI. It's a global company. I partnered with them and established this campus. As I have said, BIA is a global leader in professional training. We have over 7 countries presence and have over 100 campuses. Actually, before I became a partner, I was an instructor for this business. They identified me through my LinkedIn profile. Then I passed their strict standards and exams, and then I started teaching for a few months. I realized that they have very strict standards, and what a difference we have made for students who are learning AI and data science. Some of my students are truck drivers, coffee shop makers, some of them are college students. As we can see, they have diverse background, but they are all interested in data science. Our training program is good for both technical and non-technical people. It's okay that you don't have programming knowledge, you don't have a college degree. We will teach you from scratch. And if you are already advanced in technology, you'll still learn very advanced skills. So it's good for both non-technical and technical people. Everyone can become a data scientist. I want to clarify that it's a common misconception. People believe that data science and AI are for PhDs from MIT or very smart people. It's very hard to learn. But that's not true at all, because I have over 20 years of experience practicing data science and AI in person. Think it as driving a car. Right? If we use data science and AI as tools to solve business problems, it's like we are driving a car from one place to our destination. The one place, the starting point is the data, and the destination is business decisions. So AI and data science will take us from data to business decisions, just like a car as a transportation tool. When we drive a car, we only need to know 4 things: how to operate, steering wheel, gas pedal, brake, and understanding traffic rules. That's all, right? Most of drivers don't have to open the car's hood and understand the engine system, exhaustion system, fixing timing belts. We don't do that. We leave those technical details to technicians. The same is true to use data science and AI to solve business problems. I believe majority people will be in that category. So think it like driving. Everyone can do it. And with this company, BIA, we developed very practical curriculums. They are based on experts from industry. Actually, I'm one of their members of academic advisory board. We identify the most useful and most marketable skills, and we build them into curriculum. And all our instructors, they are from industries. They carry with them practical knowledge. So you get very good exposure to practical knowledge, not just academic knowledge. And also we have in-classroom training. Meanwhile, the in-classroom training are broadcast live and recorded. So if you choose to, you can learn remotely, and you can choose the time to watch the video. And during classes, which only happen during weekend, 3 hours on Saturday, 3 hours on Sunday. Totally, we have 100 hours of lectures in 4 months. And also during weekday, we have a learning management system. So you can log on to our system and practice a lot of exercises. So you want to do actual homework to solidify your knowledge. These are extremely helpful. So the combination of hands-on exercise and the weekend lecturing and the interaction are truly amazing. This slide illustrates the structure of our training programs. On the left side, there are 4 columns. These are 4 months, 100 hours weekend courses. These are the foundation of our all training programs. So they are common for all 4 training programs. And this is our core competence. It's very unique. We have practical knowledge and instructed by industrial experts. At top level, if you finished 4 months of training, then you receive certification. So the total length of training is 4 months. Or you can choose our diploma program for a total of 6 months, which is 2 months of internship after 4 months of training. That's a diploma. And then this is my favorite. It's a master diploma. After 4 months, you can receive 6 months on-job training. Basically, you will be working with experts in big companies. They will guide you, they will train you to become industry ready, become a data scientist. The beautiful thing about this is that you put your title, which is data scientist, working for some ABC company, for example, on your resume. So you are already a data scientist on your resume. One difficulty for students to get a job is there is a gap between students' identity and the professional. Industry people, they just don't trust students because they have knowledge, but they don't have practical experience. But with this program, it acts as a bridge. So you work for a company as data scientist, And when you look for the job, the hiring manager will notice that. So you'll become more relevant and more trustable. This is called the Master Diploma program. The total length is 4 plus 6 months, 10 months. And also we partner with Wolf University. It is a very innovative university. After 4 months of training in data science and AI, you can take 14 months of online education provided by Wolf University. After 18 months, you will receive master degree of science in computer science, specializing in data science, machine learning, and AIs. All those are very hot skills. If you have a combination of computer software with data science, AI, that make you very valuable in the job market. So I want to summarize why I choose BIA's data science and AI training. As we have known that we learn practical skills from industry veterans. To be honest, I have seen people from purely academic world. They may be very knowledgeable, very smart, but when practical problems are involved, sometimes they made common sense mistakes. It's just that academic world and business world are very different. Academic world, everything is ideal. We have very clean data. It's perfect data. We have full control of the environment. We do 20 experiments and we choose the best one to publish our paper. But in business, we have no control about the environment. The data could be not perfect. It could be messy with a lot of problems. Still, we have to deliver a solution. So that's why we have to learn from practical experts, because our goal is to find a job and solve problems in real business environment. Also, our goal is to help you find a job after graduation, right? Because if you look at people around you, many people, they spend 4 years in college, maybe 1 or 2 more years to pursue master degrees. After all those years are gone, and the money, tuition are gone, a lot of them are gone, and they are in debt. But they couldn't find a job, right? This is very common. But our goal is to help you find a job. So we will help you enhance your resume. We improve your interview skills. We improve your LinkedIn profile, things like that. It's a whole package with the sole goal of helping you getting a job. And we have lifetime career support. Once you become a student, you have your lifetime access to our exclusive job opportunities. We have partnered with many companies. They have job opportunities. So in this network, we will announce those opportunities. And also there are other opportunities outside of network that we will push those information to you. It's lifetime service. And also we offer on the job training, right? As data scientist, you can put it on your resume. That will greatly enhance your chance of getting a job in this field. You can scan this code to visit our website. It's in Manhattan campus. Again, the learning can be done in classroom, which is more desirable, but it can be done remotely, as in many cases. This is our enrollment and payment link. If you are determined to take the training, you can make your payment here. And I thank you for watching the video. It's a great field to be in, data science and AI. I have been in this field for over 20 years. I managed to convince my two nephews to become data scientists, and they are making good money. Also, I encouraged my friends, kids, and other young people to get involved in data science and AI, because that is the future. It's about making better decisions. Thank you for listening.